S and T are points on sides PR and QR of triangle PQR such that angle P is equal to angle RTS. Angle P is this, angle RTS. Both angles are equal. What you have to show? You have to show triangle RPQ will be similar to triangle RTS. It means you have to take these two triangles only, triangle RPQ and RTS. Okay, now come on, what is given to you? First thing is given, angle P is equal to angle RTS. Okay, this is given to you. Okay, and what is the second? Angle R is common. This angle is common here. So what you can write? Angle R is equal to angle R. This is common angle. Okay, then what you can say? Then triangle RPQ will be similar to triangle RTS. By which property? Which criteria? Angle criteria. Then there is angle similarity criteria. This is your answer. Yes, the next question. In the given figure, if triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACD, just you see what is ABE. Where is ABE? ABE. And second one ACD. ACD. These two triangles are congruent. Then what you have to show? Triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC. ADE will be similar to triangle ABC. This you have to show. What is given to you? These things, this two triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACD. This is given here. Okay. If this is given to you, then what we can say? AB is corresponding part. By CPCT, what can we say? AB is equal to AC. Okay. And AD and AE is equal to AD. Okay. So what will be? AB upon AC, this will be 1, and AD upon AE, this will be 1. Okay, by these two what we can say? This is one equation, this is equation number 2. We can say AB upon AC, this will be equal to AD upon AE. Okay, now this is your equation number 3. Then you have to take two triangles. Which two triangles? Triangle ADE and triangle ABC. This one, ADE and triangle ABC. And what we have to show? We have to show both are similar here. Okay, by third equation what we can write? AB upon AC is equal to AD upon AE. This we can write by third. Okay, and what other thing we can write? What we know by this, what we can write? See, I am interchanging. I am sending AD down and AC up. AC will be here and AD down. So what will be? AC upon AE. Okay. So what is AB upon AD This is AC upon AE. Okay, and one angle is common here. This angle A is common. Angle A is equal to angle A, common angle. Okay, then what you can say, triangle ADE, this will be similar to triangle ABC by which similarity? By AA similarity. And one more thing, this is given to you, we can say by CPCT. This is by CPCT. Okay. Yes, the next question. In given figure, altitudes AD and CE of triangle ABC intersect each other at point P. Then you have to show these four points. One is triangle AEP is similar to triangle CDP. This you have to show. For that, what I am doing, first I am see the figure here. What is given? AD and CE, two altitudes are there. See, CE is altitude, CE is perpendicular to AB, and here AD is perpendicular to BC. This here written. Now the A part, I am taking two triangles AEP and triangle CDP. AEP, AEP and CDP. Now tell me which two angles are 90 degree. One is E and one is D. Angle E and angle D, this is given to you 90 degree. And which two one is vertically opposite? This two one is vertically opposite. So what we can say, angle APE, APE is equal to angle CPD, CPD, CPD. What is reason? Vertically opposite angle. And this is given to you. Then what you can say? Triangle AEP, this should be similar to triangle CDP by AA similarity. Okay, come on second. Triangle ABD and triangle CBE you have to show similar. See in the figure, where is ABD? ABD. Again D is 90 degree here, and CBE, here E is 90 degree. Now take angle D is equal to angle E. This is 90 degree and it is given to you, given in the question. And in both triangle, angle B is common. Angle B is equal to angle B. This is your common angle. Okay, then what you can say, then triangle ABD, this should be similar to triangle CBE by again AA similarity. Okay, take one another third part. Triangle AEP and triangle ADB. AEP and ADB. Okay, angle E equal to angle D. Angle E equal to angle D. This is equal to 90 degree and this is given to you. And what about this? The second one, angle A. Angle A in both is common angle. Okay, angle A, here is also angle A. I can say common angle. This is your common angle. Then what you can do? Then put triangle AEP. This should be similar to triangle ADB by AA similarity. Now take two more triangles, triangle PDC and triangle BEC. In this one, angle D will be equal to angle E. This is 90 degree. This is given to you. And what is the second one? Angle C is equal to angle C. This is common angle. Common angle. That then what you can say, triangle BPDC, this is similar to BEC. Okay, then what you can say, by AA similarity.